Hey gang, Sky Pilot here, going for a drive to find somewhere to fly my Green Hornet. Yes, these are the lengths I go to find somewhere peaceful to fly. Welcome gang, Sky Pilot here. Yes, another sunny day and a good day to fly the Green Hornet. Just come out to a different location here. Just want to try a bit of cinematic footage over the forest here. I've just done a little mod on the XM Plus antennas on the back here. Put on the stock Lollipop. I was running a Foxeer 3 on the back here. I'll put the stock one back on. We'll see if that does anything to our range or not. Check out my last video gang of this unit. Tech specs, overview, initial flight. This thing's great fun. Okay, let's get up in the sky. I'll take the DJI Osmo Action off, stick it on the front here after I do a quick line of sight, and we'll get cracking. Thanks for stopping by folks. Sky Pilot, Green Hornet time. Quick line of sight as always folks. And if I haven't mentioned already, it is quite loud. What a catch! Okay, let's put the DJI up the front here and let's go for a fly around. Okay, Osmo Action up the front there. Yeah, filming at 4K 60 frames a second. Let's go. I'll see you in a minute. Enjoy the music. That was awesome, guys. Yeah, a few low battery warnings, only because I think yeah, you're sucking the batteries fairly well when you give it a bit of thrust. It has been a bit windy here, as you saw. Not too good in the wind. It does tend to catch the wind a fair bit, which means you've got to be fairly strong on the sticks to keep it under control. So recommend calm day flying with this unit. However, hell of a lot of fun. I think it's a tiny bit of power left, so just a quick bit of line of sight just to finish off. So if you're new here, smash on that bell and thumbs up, much appreciated, and I'll see you guys real soon. Thanks for stopping by. Sky Pilot, Green Hornet, what a cracker, it's in the sky.